Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect portable speaker that actually sounds super awesome? This one from Tronsmart has become my favorite new speaker. This is a fully Bluetooth compatible speaker. It hooks up very easily to any device that I've tried it on so far. And what's really awesome is it's completely portable. It comes with a carrying strap that can also be taken off if you want. And it's lightweight, but yet it feels super durable. The speaker is water resistant. When I tell you that this speaker kicks butt when it comes to sound, I am not kidding. The speaker even has lights that coordinate with any type of music that you put on with it. I teach in a very big workout room at a local gym, and this speaker fills up the entire room. As I mentioned, the speaker is very light, but yet it feels really durable. So I love being able to carry it around. What's really awesome is you can even place it outside if you're having a party, and this speaker would definitely fit the bill as far as sounding awesome. One of the biggest things I was looking for is something that was portable but yet still sounded awesome. I'm so happy that I found the speaker from Tronsmart because it definitely sounds really good, but yet it's so portable and easy to take with me wherever I go. If you're looking for a speaker that is going to kick butt when it comes to really good sound and sounding great at any type of party that you're at, you're gonna love this speaker. It really will not let you down, and that's my point of view.